Is this the line for doing this?
That's what.
Yeah, 11:45. No, at least, I don't know.
I'm by myself, but she's out there. Got a heavy load with you. Yeah, I can see that.
He's the retired
There we are, baby.
That's what makes your lead dog so valuable. Our back dog here is called our wheel dog. Hop, 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 nope.
We asked for it. Those will be on their side.
How should we change our diet if we want to have
Water break.
Yeah. If you want to stand on my brake, I can go to the front and take everyone's pictures.
You gotta do what you gotta do.
All right. Thank you.
I just can't hear sometimes because I'm not used to going and kind of like.
Okay.
So what was everyone's favorite part? Yeah, the glacier that was here in this area was huge. Took thousands of years to melt. But yeah, that's how most of these melt.
It's the road.
How often do you go to the lower 48?
How often?
Yeah, when you are up here.
You know, you're not so sure. You can meet that. And another mountain. And the land.
This is one of my favorite views. You don't have to get out if you don't want to. In fact, how many people want to get out?
And I will get it right. Alicia.
Alyssa.
Alyssa. Oh,
Yes.
yeah, I'll get it right. Okay. A little bit of ice.
We're arriving just on time. It looks like the train.